Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a MasterCard that you can get with a minimum of a 540 FICO score that reports to all three major credit bureaus, and you can get up to a $2,000 credit limit. So we're going to go over all of the details here in this video. Also, if you want to learn how to increase your credit score, what it takes to have over a 700 credit score, our DIY credit repair ebook comes with 3 bonuses. It is on sale right now for $27. The link will be down below in the description box. You'll receive the ebook as well as a free letter template, a list of no credit check credit builder accounts, and our secret lenders list. So again, if you want access to this, the link will be down in the description box below. So the credit card that we're going to talk about today is the Reflex MasterCard. So you'll get an initial credit limit if you are approved up to $1,000. And then the limit is going to double up to $2,000 after making 6 on-time payments. So also with this credit card, you're going to be able to see how your credit score increases over time because they do give you free monthly credit score updates on your electronic statements. So the minimum limit is going to be $300, which is typical with a bad credit card. If it is an unsecured credit card, they usually start you off somewhere around $300 to $500. Also, the link to sign up for this credit card, to apply for this credit card, will be down in the description box below. Now, this credit card is underwritten by Celtic Bank, and this credit card also does have some fees along with your monthly payment. So let's go over the fees really quickly. So it is going to be a higher interest rate because this is for people with challenge credit, or if you are starting to build your credit or rebuild your credit. They're going to start you off with a 29% interest rate, basically 30% interest rate based upon your credit worthiness when you open up your account. Now your APR will vary with the market based upon the prime rate. So this could go up based upon the current prime rates. Also, their cash advances are going to be 29.99% as well. So I wouldn't do any cash advances with this card. The payment due date is going to be at least 25 days after the close of each billing cycle. They will not charge you any interest on purchase if you pay your entire account balance by the payment due date each month. So it is recommended that you pay off your balance by the statement date to avoid any fees and also to avoid that interest charge. Also, they have setup and maintenance fees. So it'll be between $75 and $125. After that, it will be $99 up to $125 annually. And then the monthly maintenance fee could be up to $10 per month, but you won't have that for the first 12 months of your account being open. So there are some fees involved in this particular card. And also they do have late fees as well. So here's the application. This is what the application looks like. This link will be down below in the description box for you to go straight to the application. You can get pre-approved for this card without doing a hard credit pull. And it only takes less than a minute for you to do the application. If you do get this card and accept the offer, I would recommend using this card for just groceries or gas and paying the bill off before the due date, preferably by the statement date, to make sure that you're not incurring any fees. This is just to help you build credit. And a lot of people don't understand that if you just pay off your balance, make sure you do it before the due date and only use your card, like cards like this, for stuff that you're already purchasing, like I said, maybe utilities or gas or groceries, and just pay it off right away because you were already going to spend the money anyway on your debit card. Might as well use it to build credit. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos, and also check out the links in the description box below. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.